Hello my study bees, welcome to a new video, and this one is gonna be about 10th grader stationery hall or aesthetic stationery hall for class 10 students. So yeah, with a very fresh mind and a very good weather, I just woke up and then I did my normal skincare and then I got myself ready and all freshened up and set my camera and other parameters, and I began to share with you guys my stationery haul. So first of all I begin with notebooks because these are what very much needed for you. So I got these 4 notebooks which are long and ruled, like some are of 100 pages and some are of 200 pages, and these are from Shape. And all the prints, like these 4 notebooks, these prints are very much nice. I mean the cover pages, some are very aesthetic and some are very much brighty vibes. This gives like inspirational things as well for me. So yeah, that's why I got this. Like one is written music and other 2 are there where 2 crafts are being made, pictures you can say, and one there is tree, and the color themes are so nice. And then I got this spiral notebook which is again ruled. Here the cover page is so cute and aesthetic. This one is from classmate Pulse. So yeah, these are the 5 notebooks I got. Then the number 2, I got these sticky notes. So as you guys know, I have been posting some motivational quotes like 100 days challenge, so there I need to use sticky notes. So that's why I got many of them, like some page markers types, some are normal. Then I got these decorative tapes. Now because as in class 10th we need to make so many projects and assignment for our portfolio purpose, so that's why I got these in different colors and different designs. Then for glue, other than Fevicol, I do use Fevikwik and along with this sellotape. And then this is a drawing book which is in spiral binding. Then this very small diary for writing up all my formulas. Even if I want, I can use it for writing up my contents as well. So well, now the main and my favorite part is paints. So currently I have been obsessed with this paints from Flair SRX paint. So they comes in 5 shades and all of them are very much aesthetic. So I got 2 packets of them and each packet contains 10 paints, 10 rupees each. For other projects purpose, I do use these pens from Link. So these are of different colors. You get pack of 10, I guess. So these are the colors which are like pink, red, green, black, blue and a metallic shades. Other than that, I use brush pens. Brush pens are from Unimax of these 12 colors: black, red, pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, you can say purple. I have green, I have brown and light sky color, you can say. So these much. For highlighters, I have been using this Faber-Castell highlighters for the pastel shades from so many days, like almost more than 2 years, and these have all been my favorite. Then other than these, for the neon shades, I use again from Faber-Castell majorly. Now comes my to-do list. These are something which I have ordered from Flipkart, received in pack of 4, and these costed me like 250 to 300 almost. Now there must be some affordable option as well, but I love this one, so I got this for myself. And now if you are a lazy person, so this book must be with you. That is gonna make your procrastination very much less and even will increase your productivity. The book is The Art of Laziness. This is not sponsored but just my own will. I'm sharing this because this book is a life changer. Currently I have been reading it. Like I don't read book that much, but I have been reading it and I'm liking it as well. And this is the condition after I have shared the stationery haul with you guys. Now let me organize my study table. Till then, you guys stay safe, take care, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.